I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Start by choosing the right adapter for your PC and needs. Pick USB 3.0 for easy setup or PCIe for permanent internal installation. Choose 802.11ac or 802.11ax for modern performance and backwards compatibility. Prefer dual-band support for both 2, 4 GHz and 5 GHz networks to avoid congestion. External antennas around 3.5 inches improve reception compared to tiny internal antennas. Verify the manufacturer lists maximum speed in Mbps and that drivers support your operating system. Power down for PCIe installation or plug a USB adapter into a USB 3.0 port. Boot and install official drivers from manufacturer media or their website before connecting to networks. Open Device Manager to confirm the adapter appears with no warning icons. Use network settings to scan for SSIDs and select your network name. Enter the Wi-Fi password exactly and choose 5 GHz for lower latency when available. Optionally disable onboard Wi-Fi in BIOS or device settings to avoid conflicts. If connections falter, update adapter drivers and router firmware, then reboot both devices. Roll back drivers if a newer driver causes instability after updating. Adjust channel width to 20 MHz for stability or 40 MHz for higher throughput when interference is low. Pick a less crowded channel using a Wi-Fi scanner and prefer 5 GHz for speed when distance permits. Check signal strength metrics. Aim for roughly -50 to -70 dBm for reliable performance. Reposition the adapter or antenna to improve reception and reduce obstructions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.